understand English. You watch English videos. You read English posts. But when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Why? This problem is very common. Millions of people feel the same. You know the words. You know the meaning, but your mouth does not move. You feel nervous. You feel shy. You feel afraid of mistakes. But today, I will tell you a simple story, and this story will change how you see English. Rahim is a student. He studies English for many years. Every day, he reads grammar books. He memorizes words. He watches English videos. In exams, he gets good marks. But one day, a foreign guest comes to his school. "Rahim, please talk to our guest in English." Rahim stands up. His heart beats fast. His hands feel cold. He knows English, but he cannot speak. His mind is empty. Why did this happen? Listen carefully. This is the mistake most people make. Rahim learned English silently. He read English, he wrote English, but he did not speak English. Language is not only knowledge. Language is a skill. Think about a child. A child does not learn grammar first. A child listens. A child repeats. A child makes mistakes. But adults fear mistakes. This fear kills your English. Grammar is not your enemy. Silence is. Imagine you want to learn swimming. You read a book about swimming. You watch videos about swimming. But you never enter the water. Can you swim? No. English is the same. You must enter the water. You must speak. Here is the simplest method. Talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. In the morning, say, "I am brushing my teeth." "I am drinking tea." At night, say, "Today was a good day. I learned something new." 5 minutes is enough. No pressure, no audience, no fear. This one habit can change everything. Shadowing is very powerful. Choose a short English video. Play one sentence. Pause, repeat the sentence. Copy the voice. Copy the speed. Copy the emotion. Do this daily. Your brain will learn automatically. Rahim starts speaking alone. Every day, 5 minutes. At first, it feels strange, but he continues. After 1 month, something changes. Words come faster. Fear becomes smaller. One day, the foreign guest comes again. Rahim smiles, and this time, he speaks. Not perfect, but confident. Confidence is more important than perfection. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need big words. You need practice. You need courage. You need sound. Start today. Speak English badly, but speak. Because bad English is better than silent English. If this story helped you, listen to the next video. You are not alone. You can do this.